Good morning, my all dear class 12th A students. Today, in this chapter of accounts, partnership, retirement, or death, we will discuss that when a partner, when a old partner or a working partner retires from the firm, or unfortunately, an partner of a firm dies, what happened after that? What happens after that? So in this chapter we will learn profit and loss sharing ratio, means new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Then we will discuss the difference between sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. After that, we will do the accounting treatment of goodwill. Then we will show you that how to create the revaluation and how to reevaluate the assets and liabilities. After that, we will do the treatment of reserve and accumulated profit. Then there will be capital adjustment, but let me tell you, let me give you good news that this capital adjustment part has been removed by the council. This capital adjustment part has been removed by the council. So we have to discuss till the treatment of reserve and accumulated profit. Okay, so what do you mean by retirement? Retirement is that condition when an old or an working partner of a firm takes a permanent leave from the firm. This is called the retirement. Okay, so after this, let's move further. And here we will learn that how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So first of all, let me tell you that what is the new profit sharing ratio. If there is three partners in a firm, and their ratio is 1:1:1, and if a partner means ABC were old partner, and if C is retiring, it means that the share of C will also be distributed among A and B. It means A's and B's shares will be increased. That will call gaining ratio. And after the retirement, there will be a new profit sharing ratio between them. So let me tell you the illustration number 1. X, Y, Z are partners and their ratio is 5:4:3. We have to calculate the new ratio when X retires, Y retires and Z retires. It's very simple. The partner which is being retired, we will remove that share. We will remove his share, and the remaining share will be the new profit sharing ratio of the remaining partners. So if in this question the ratio of X, Y, Z is 5:4:3, means X ratio is 5, Y ratio is 4 and Z ratio is 3. If X is retiring, we will remove this 5. So our ratio will be 4:3. Okay. Same. If Y is retiring, we will remove the ratio of Y, and 5:3 will be our new ratio. If Z is retiring, we will remove the ratio of Z. And 5:4 will be our new ratio. Okay. So this was the first condition when any further information will not be given. Let's move to the next illustration. ABC are the partners. Their ratio is 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6. Find out the new ratio if B retires. So first of all, we have to convert it in the ratios. 1/2, 1/3, 1/6 is also can be written as 3:2:1. 3:2:1. And when B is retiring, remaining ratio will be 3:1. So this was the illustration. This was the example that how can we get the new ratio and gaining ratio. Gaining ratio will be discussed further. How can we get the new ratio? In the upcoming videos, we will discuss gaining ratios and goodwill treatment, and after that we will move to the revaluation and and treatment of reserve and accumulated profits. Till then, students, it's my humble request from you all to keep practicing the practical questions of accounts as well as theory part. So, because your boards are reaching very soon, so keep trying, keep focusing on your studies and keep practicing. And if you find any problem, any doubt, and if you have any query, you can ask. Our school is always there to help you out in all your needs. Till then, bye students. We'll meet you in the next video.